Top 10 websites for business. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a small business owner, or just looking to expand your knowledge on business, these websites have got you covered. Let's dive in. Number 1. Our first website is Entrepreneurcom. This website offers a wealth of information on starting and running a business. They cover everything from marketing to finance and provide practical tips and advice from successful entrepreneurs. Number 2. Next up is Forbes.com. Forbes is a leading business magazine, and their website offers up-to-date news and analysis on the latest trends in business. They also have a great section on personal finance. Number 3. Third on our list is InComma. This website focuses on providing practical advice for small businesses. They cover topics like leadership, sales, and marketing, and offer useful tools and resources for entrepreneurs. Number 4. Fourth on our list is Fast.com. Fast Company is a magazine that covers the latest in business innovation and creativity. Their website features articles and videos on cutting-edge business ideas and practices. Number 5. Next up is bloomberg.com. Bloomberg is a leading financial news site that provides real-time market data and analysis. They cover a wide range of topics, including business, finance, technology, and politics. Number 6. Our 6th website is HBR, or Harvard Business Review, is a well-respected business publication that offers thought-provoking articles on a variety of business topics. They also offer online courses and webinars for those looking to expand their knowledge. Number 7. Next on our list is mashable.com. While not strictly a business website, Mashable covers the latest in technology and social media, both of which are important for any modern business to stay ahead of the curve. Number 8. Eighth on our list is Business Insider.com. Business Insider offers in-depth reporting on the latest business news and trends. They cover a wide range of topics, from finance to tech, and their articles are well-researched and insightful. Number 9. Our 9th website is TheBalance.com. The Balance is a personal finance website that covers topics like investing, budgeting, and retirement planning. They also have a section for small business owners with advice on starting and running a business. Number 10. And finally, we have Small Business, Yahoo.com. Yahoo Small Business offers a range of services for small business owners, including web hosting, domain registration,